Hello and welcome to Estonia. We finally made it and we decided our first documentary will be in the forests of Estonia. So behind you have the beautiful wildflowers. We just had a hedgehog. The little bastard got away. They're a lot faster than the Australian echidna, I've learnt. And over here on my left is one of the beautiful waterfalls. So that's it. Welcome to Estonia. So in Estonia, unlike Australia, there is it's thousands of years old. People have been living here for a long time. I tell you what, you don't get this sort of thing in Australia. This building has been around for hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of years. And it's amazing. You see places like this everywhere. And just imagine the history behind it. Buildings are incredible. You just don't see that in Australia. So this is Estonian beach styling. No waves, but very beautiful. Estonian ladies with a baby. And see down here, this is something we don't have in Australia. It's a change room. So you come here and they have these scattered through the beach. You get changed. Funny Estonians. Classic.